Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, A Woman's Love. The song is Love Makes a Woman. The artist is Phoebe Snow, and the choreography is Bernadette Brunette. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go. I know some people that took y'all back, okay? That is A Woman's Love. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.